Hey guys, it's just a quick recap of the week that was for March 15th or March 16th ending. And I'm going to start with crude oil. Crude oil was in a very sad state of consolidation, still is. And, Monday to Wednesday was all good. We're able to make pretty good money. And then Thursday was kind of off. Didn't really lose a lot, which is good. You have days like that. It's not every day it's going to be great, but traditional markets were pretty good overall anyway. So all the way to Wednesday was all good. Thursday, minor loss on CL, but overall, again, it's in a big consolidation phase, and again, you basically place your bet. You could, if you're part of the camp that sees oil supplies tightening, then I guess you're gonna go long. If you see shale as a problem, you're gonna go short. One of you will win, obviously, and again, we'll see what it comes up with, in the next days or weeks. The S&P is definitely one of those interesting things, and I guess I had a better week with the S&P actually because it was more sensible. And again, there's a lot of theories. Again, everybody thinks that you just BTFD because the market's probably going to go higher anyway, and then there's guys who are thinking things are really not well and we go lower. Whatever you believe, right? If you believe things are bad, you can probably put it this way: we can't seem to hold any rallies or highs, right? Maybe that's bad. Maybe it's just a phase and the market's just going to go up anyway. I don't know. But the essence of day trading is you just basically do what you can do and try to make money, where you can in that way. So below 2760, it's basically we're back to this really wonderful, crazy range that nobody really knows what's really going to happen. So again, we do our best to do what we can with trading. We're scalping where we can. Still pretty good and profitable with the S&P. Okay, so the wonderful thing, I suppose, for this week or for the last 2 weeks. So this is traditional markets. I'm gonna leave the traditional markets and I'm gonna go to the crypto markets. And I think this was one that's probably the best one. And I'm gonna put up Ether and Bitcoin here. So bulls had a chance to really push up to this, what looks like an inverse head and shoulders, whatever you want. If you're a big technical, genius, definitely will see what looks like an inverse head and shoulders. So they had a chance to really break above 12 grand. Just could not push it above 12 grand. And where you go. So we obviously issued sell signal both from the trading algo as well as, our own trade signals to all the crypto clients, and we said, you know what, it looks like it might retest the 6,000 level, and it is going there now, I think. So, the I guess it's sort of like a boon to us that when traditional markets are failing, there's the crypto markets that still give us a lot of money. So, the great thing about the crypto markets is that there's only one thing that really keeps affecting the crypto markets, right? And that's really it. And I'm not going to say it here because I'm not. That's usually what we tell our clients and our students. But ultimately, it's just price action in crypto markets, either up or down. And it's the same sort of thing. There's a lot of people who believe, and there's a lot of people who are skeptical about this market. The one thing you can't deny is that the volume has dropped off since January. I guess this is the main year, right? And then it's dropped off. And I know you probably know people, or you could be one of them, watching this video. You bought at 14,000, you bought at 16,000, you bought at 17,000, you bought 18,000, 19,000, and you're holding because you think you write a white paper somewhere, and you think it's gonna moon, and it's gonna go up to like 100,000. You know, I'm not gonna be the one who will tell you that that I'm not gonna be that guy. So I'm just gonna say, I hope it still works out for you. If not, I'm not gonna be here to tell you should probably take your loss and move on. That is up to you. If you're brave enough to hold after 6, 7, 8,000, 9,000 drop, obviously you're a true believer, and maybe, I don't know, 1 year from now, maybe Bitcoin will go back to 20 grand. I really don't know. But for us, we are day traders and we just trade, we trade this. We don't care if Bitcoin's going to be the next best thing. We just trade it. So we make money regardless of it going up or down. Okay. So this one here, again, we issued the short signal around 11-ish. And then for me, I took my profits at 8 grand. Just looks like there's support there. And then I don't know, probably will continue to go lower. So I'm looking to do a short again if it does happen, in the next couple of days. The last thing I want to show you is Ethereum, and Ethereum was quite amazing because again, I even have it up and posted. So this was the video that I sent to clients and of course students and we were here literally 900-ish, and I said basically it looks like a possible head and shoulders. So I'm putting a short on, and people were covering at 800, people covering at 790. We basically are back to the neckline here at 600. If you don't know what this is, if you don't know what neckline is, go to the website. We have a class on Ethereum, on it on on trading cryptocurrencies. I believe it's $500 at this point. I think for a class, it's a quick class, like a 1 or 2 hour class. So your time's not gonna be wasted. At the end of the day, educate yourself, right? So that you're gonna be able to anticipate these kind of moves. But yeah, so this one here looks like it's gonna keep going lower, and you got to be careful with your trades on this one, right? So if you're looking to buy because of support, I don't know, maybe it'll work. I don't know. Good luck with that, I guess. But for us, again, taking off profits here, this one was probably the best one when Bitcoin was still kind of challenging 12 grand level. The altcoins were definitely pushing lower. So I can say this now because we've already finished a trade, right? But when we put this trade 7, 8, 9 days ago or whatever, that was quite well and in tune with all of our trades and everything. So again, just remember we trade traditional markets as well as crypto markets. So if you need help, please come to us. We'll be more than happy to help you and hopefully make you a profitable trader. Have a wonderful day. Take care and